Hey guys, today we are going to be trying epicpath's LASSY TECHs new vid he uploaded like 10 days ago. And I'm going to be getting gold rank probably tomorrow because I didn't really have time to make the vid today. So yeah, let's just get started. It's gonna be a quick vid because I don't have time. Rented LASSY kit, and we're just gonna be using it in some 1v1 win streaks, I guess. So yeah, let's get straight into the vid. Okay guys, just loaded in, and the goal for this video is just gonna be to maybe get a win, hopefully, and use both of the techs. So the first one is the LASSY Cepho. They basically just chase you on a bridge and you just lasso them and just build like over them so they get like Cephoed. And the second one, the second tech is just like a little trick to like, you place blocks in front of them when like you lasso them and they're chasing you. So yeah, let's try it out. Okay, got him. Yeah, perfect time, perfect time. Full. Alright, kind of messed it up, but it's fine. Don't P-chest that, boy. I love this tech so much. This tech is actually so OP. You just lasso them, you basically just kill them. I just missed my lasso, which is kind of bad. Alright, so, Alright, okay. You got it. Okay, this is low-key a good spot for it. Does that count? Guys, does that count? Does that count? I'll count that. I'll count that. Honestly, I'll count that. Can we get a double? Can we get a double, bro? Please. No, we cannot get a double. Just fed him 3 M's. Oh my god, bro. Come on, bro. There we go, bro. There we go. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. He's probably just gonna recall the base. Low-key, that's what I'm feeling a lot. Oh, I guess I lost this game. Yo, guys, can I get a little bridge Cepho? Can I get like a bridge Cepho on him? No, I can't get a bridge Cepho. Well, first game I got, what? Oh, okay, I thought, first game we got the LASSY stop. Now we just need a win, and we need the LASSY Cepho. I'm inviting people to my clan. Just like say your user in the comments if you want to join the clan. Oh, he's stranded here, bro. Oh, you didn't Fortuna. Okay, he's coming, he's coming. Now I just need to like kind of loop him around. Okay, watch this, guys. Okay, okay. I'm just gonna be right here, suspicious. I don't even, oh, I build up 2 blocks. I did it wrong, I did it wrong, man. Where'd he go? Oh. Alright. Okay, alright, man, alright. So we're gonna lock in for this one. Bait him out, you know? Bait him out a bit. Okay, what is he doing? He just wants me to get his bed. Where did he go? Still beat him though. Alright, so we gotta win, but we still need that lassie stuff though. It's hard to do. I tried doing it one time, but didn't really work. Okay, he's usually you gotta only mind one ore against movement cap. I used to use Uzi a lot, and in duels and win streaks. Used to meet like YH Pro every day while queuing. So he always plays duels. Okay, guess he found the void. Bro, I built up 2 blocks again. Oh, that was it. Nah, that wasn't it. He fell off, but that was the right setup. Hopefully we can win against this Skibidi Tuntun software 6-7 grand. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm actually good at this game. I'm so good at this game. Oh my god, bro, I can't do it. This bridge is too messed up. He's waiting for lasso. I'm baiting it. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Oh, he got my bed. Might be your last chance, low-key. No, didn't get the stuff off. Didn't get the stuff off. So I need to build 2 blocks and just spam. Okay, that was the right setup. What? No, okay. It's fine. Come on, we gotta play one more match. We gotta get it. Bro. After this match, if we don't get it, epicpath, give me some tips, bro, please. All's SD Kid Phantom montage. I would never dream my life while making a SD Kid Phantom montage. One of my favorite songs, actually. We're heading to mid. We need to make sure that we're okay. Heading to mid and heading to his base. We gotta like build a little bit for him, right? And build. Okay, that was close. That was actually low-key close. That was close. Wait, we can hit another one off here. Okay. He's just going to get my bed. Okay, I'm not teleporting. Okay, we have literally just like one try to get this right. Wait, no. Tie game, bro. Okay, that was like 2 times the same thing. I can't get the suffo off. Yeah, I can't get the suffo off. Probably just gonna, can't get it, man. Please, epicpath, give me some tips, bro. Alright, anyways, that's the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and part 2 coming soon. Peace.